Hi! Today we're going to practice using our Elkonin sound boxes. We're going to count our phonemes in our words. We're going to map our phonemes in our words to make words. To start out, I'm going to do a sample for you. So first we're going to use the word blast. Blast. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to count my phonemes or sounds in the word blast. B, l, a, s. Oh, I have 5 phonemes or sounds in my word blast. So I'm going to find the Elkonin boxes with 5 spots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'm going to use my chips to sound out my word. B, l, a, s, t. Now I'm going to write my word using these sounds. My first phoneme was B, and I'm going to use the letter B to represent the B sound. B, ooh. I'm going to use an L. B, a, s, t. Now I'm going to check my word. Blast. Blast. Now I'm going to let you try it. Okay, for the first word, let's use the word pet. How many phonemes are in the word pet?
P, e, t, 3.
P, e, t, 3. Very good. So which boxes are you going to use?
1, 2, 3. This
Beautiful.
one.
Okay, would you like to use the chips to sound out the word pet?
P, e, t.
Beautiful. Now would you like to write the word pet for me?
P, e, t. Pet.
Now check your word. Beautiful job. Nice work. Okay, let's go with another word. Let's use the word buzz. Buzz. How many phonemes are there in the word buzz?
B, z, 3.
Beautiful. So which boxes are you going to use again?
B, z.
Good. B, z. Okay, use your chips to sound out the word.
B, z.
Beautiful. Now can you write the word buzz? Now remember, this word does have a floss rule. So just think about that when you're writing your word. Buzz.
B, z.
Beautiful. Why did you put 2 Z's on the end of the word buzz?
Because of the floss rule.
Right. So the floss rule says that in a 1-syllable word with a short sound in the middle that ends in a Z sound will be represented with 2 Z's instead of 1 most of the time. So beautiful job. You used the floss rule to sound the word buzz. Great job. Let's try the word strap. Strap. Would you count the phonemes in the word strap for me?
S, t, r.
Oh, remember to chop your t sound. Can you sound that one more time for me?
S, t, r, a, p.
And how are we going to? Good job. Beautiful. Let's sound it one more time together.
S, t,
R,
r,
a.
p.
Beautiful job. How many phonemes were there in the word strap?
5.
Good work. So which boxes are you going to use?
This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Beautiful job. Okay, would you like to use your chips to sound out the word strap?
S, t, r, a.
Nice work. I love the way you chopped the p and the t sound. That's a great practice to use. All right, now can you write the word strap for me?
S, t, r, a.
Sound it out. Make sure you're right.
Strap.
Nice work. Beautiful job. Okay, let's do one more word. Let's do the word bake. How many phonemes are there in the word bake?
B-A-K. 3.
3 phonemes. Okay, so which boxes are you going to use?
1, 2, 3.
Nice work. Would you like to sound those out with the chips for me?
B.
Remember to chop that B sound.
B. A. K.
Is there something different about this word from the other words that we used with our vowel?
This one has an E at the end
How do you know it has an E at the end?
to make the A say A.
Oh yes, it has a long vowel where the other words had the short vowel, didn't they? So one thing that we can do if it makes it easier for you is whenever you know you're going to be using that rule where you're going to need that magic E on the end, you can write it in your box at the end if you want to, and then you can make an arrow going back to the long vowel sound. It's a good practice to get into whenever you're writing the words so that you don't forget to put that magic E on the end. But some people can do that without even thinking about it because they've done it so many times. It's just part of their practice. But this is a good thing to do if you're not versed in doing that as much. So, wonderful job. Would you mind writing the word bake for me on the line?
B. A. K.
Nice work. How are we going to sound that out?
B. A.
A. K. Beautiful. So you don't sound out the E on the end, do you?
Nope.
No, because that E helps your A make the long sound. Nice work. Bake. Good job. Thank you very much for helping me. Do you feel like this will make spelling your words easier?
Yes.
Okay. I have had a lot of students tell me that they like using this when they're trying to spell words because it helps them not leave out any of the letters because you're focusing on each individual sound. So, okay, well, thank you very much for helping me out with my lesson today.